I don't think the dark lipstick is helping with how pale I look right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. I haven't done a clothing haul in quite a while, I think since the summer. But now that it's autumn winter time again, I am in my element because I just love everything about autumn winter fashion. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of spend the whole of summer just hoping for it to be like autumn winter time again because it's just my favourite time of year. Just something about chunky knit jumpers and jackets and layers and boots and everything about autumn winter fashion I absolutely love. So I kind of have quite a few new pieces of clothing for my autumn winter wardrobe. This video is actually sponsored by Missguided, which if you guys didn't know, I'm sure you've all heard of it. It's a massive clothing website. They have tons of stuff on there, so many different clothing items. They also do shoes as well and accessories and all that stuff. And also as well, Missguided have given you guys a 20% off code, which is just SOPH20, I believe. All of the items and their prices will be linked down below in the description box. But yeah, if you guys want to get 20% off, then there you go. I've got a massive box next to me, so sorry if that gets in shot. Okay, so I think the way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna show you guys the clothes, and then I'm gonna go into my brother's room where I have a bit more space because I don't really have much space in my bedroom to try on clothes. Yeah, I'm gonna go in there and show you guys my first impressions of them, trying them on because I haven't tried any of this on yet. But the first thing I got, I'm actually wearing right now. It's this really oversized, really chunky knit jumper. I will do like a full-on showing off of this in a second, but it's super soft. The knit is really big on it, which I really like, and then it's got this kind of braided pattern down the front, and it's just this kind of light grey colour. It's really soft and cozy. It's not itchy in the slightest, and I think I got this in a size 6, but it definitely is oversized. So I would say if you want it to be oversized, get it in your normal size. If you want it to be more snug fitting, then maybe go down a size. Actually, I'm pretty sure most of the items that I got in this haul are in a size 6. If anything is different, then I'll let you know. Okay, so I know the lighting and the setup and everything isn't the best, but this is kind of the best space that I can show you guys what everything looks like on, so bear with me. This is the first jumper. As you can see, it's very kind of chunky knit and very oversized, and because it's got quite big holes, I have actually put a grey t-shirt just on underneath it, but it is just the coziest jumper. I don't know, I feel like maybe you could try tucking this into jeans or just like at the front, have a bit of it tucked in. Obviously it's pretty oversized, but I just think it's so cozy and comfortable. But yeah, if you want it to be a little bit more on the fitted side, I would say go a size down. The next thing I got, I absolutely love this. I haven't tried it on yet, obviously, but this is a bodysuit, but it's knitted and it's actually quite a thick knit. It just goes down like this and poppers up at the bottom. But yeah, it's a really nice soft knitted material, which is, I don't know, it's thicker than I was expecting because it's a bodysuit, but hopefully you guys can kind of see the sort of ribbed material that it is, but it feels really soft and cozy. And then it's got a zip that goes down the middle. I think, yeah, it's a silver zip, so you can kind of have it done all the way up to the top, or you can have it a little bit more unzipped. But I just thought this was really cute. I've really been into bodysuits recently because I just love how you don't have to keep tucking them back in, and I find that they're pretty flattering as well. Okay, so this is the red bodysuit. I actually love this so much. I feel like with it all the way done up to the top with the neck, I feel a little bit like Britney Spears, but this is so flattering. The arms fit perfectly. It like clips up at the bottom, and I thought that you might be able to see it because it's a thicker material. I thought you might be able to see like the lines of it around the back, but you actually can't. Like, you can't see it through my jeans. I think this is gorgeous. I think the way I would wear it is probably unzip it a bit and then maybe fold down the neck. I just think this one is super flattering, like especially on the boobage area because it's quite tight and ribbed. I mean, to be fair, I'm wearing a padded bra, but like, I think it looks really nice. I really like it. The arms fit perfectly. It's a really nice, soft, stretchy material. Big thumbs up for this one. I like this a lot. I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of it. Okay, so the next thing I got is a denim jacket. This could not, literally like not be more my style. I have worn so many cropped denim jackets this summer, and this one I thought was a bit different because it is a kind of patchwork design. It's got different shades of grey and black, and I think I just got my lipstick on it. And again, I got this one in a size 6. It's got 2 pockets on either side, but again, this one is pretty oversized. Okay, so this is what the jacket looks like on. I think it might be a bit too big for me. I know it's supposed to be kind of oversized and stuff, but I feel like on me it's just a little bit too big. Maybe I could try and like roll the sleeves up to make it look a little bit better. I would say on this one and also the first jumper, if you want it to be more kind of like close fitting, I would say to downsize. It's a really cute jacket though. I really like it. I like the patchwork and everything. But yeah, I think I might exchange this for the size down, but it's super cute. It's got pockets where you can, like, I don't know, store your sweets. What am I talking about? Ooh, this one is still in its wrapping. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my goodness, this is the softest material. This is a fluffy ribbed cropped knitted jumper. Again, I got this in a 6 and this is in the colour wine. It's kind of like a really deep burgundy. Ooh, it kind of matches my lipstick. It's a really deep burgundy reddish brown sort of colour, and this is a cropped jumper. And then it's got kind of like balloon sleeves. Is that what they're called? They kind of go like this and then they cinch in at your wrists. And the neckline of this is kind of high-necked, but not too high-necked. It doesn't go like all the way up your neck. But oh my goodness, this is the softest jumper material. I don't know what this is made of, but it's so soft and cozy. And yeah, this one is cropped, but I feel like because I'm only 5'2", it's probably gonna be like normal length on me. Oh, I just feel so cozy. You know what? I'm just gonna put this jumper on over the top of this. Oh, this is so cozy. Wait, I want to go look in the mirror. Okay, oh my goodness, I love this jumper so much. Hopefully I'm in focus. So I've kind of tucked it in a little bit, but it is actually pretty cropped on me still, which is nice. But if you wanted to tuck it in, because it is a bit shorter, like it's very easy to just kind of like tuck it in like this. But this is such a soft material. I think this would be so warm in the winter. Obviously I do have the other bodysuit underneath it, but the neck is kind of, I'd probably just wear this with like a t-shirt underneath it or something, or like a strappy top underneath it just for like an extra layer. And then the sleeves are these kind of balloonish sort of style, but what I really like about these is they go in at the wrists, so they look a bit more flattering. But I mean the sleeves are a little bit long on me, I'm not gonna lie, because I'm small, but I think you could easily roll these up. Okay, yeah, you could definitely roll up the sleeves and make them a little bit shorter, but I love this jumper in general. I think it's so gorgeous. It's super cozy as well, so I can see myself getting a lot of wear out of this. So next up is this red bodysuit. It's another bodysuit, surprise surprise. This one is also red, also in a size 6. I'm not too sure what this is going to look like on me because it's got quite a deep V, and as we all know, I am a proud member of the Itty Bitty Titty Committee. I don't really have any cleavage, but I'm gonna see what I can do with this. This has actually got little see-through panels in it, so you would have to wear something under this. Well, I mean, you wouldn't have to, but I mean, if you don't want your nips to be exposed, then you might want to wear something under this. I probably would just wear a nude bra under it, because I find that with things like this where you can see a bit through them, if you wear a nude bra, you can't really see it unless you look really closely. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really cute. Again, it's long sleeved, and I just thought, I don't know, I got a lot of red stuff because Christmas is coming. I know it might seem a bit early to say that, but red is just such a festive colour and I really like it. I feel like red is just one of those colours that looks good on everyone. Okay, so this is the red bodysuit. This is absolutely gorgeous. I thought it was going to be too low. It's probably just at the point that I'm kind of comfortable with. Like I said, I put a nude bra underneath it and you can't really like see it, I don't think, like too much. You can see it if you look up close, but for the most part you can't really see it too much. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. It's a tiny bit big kind of under the arm sort of area and like around here, but I think that is just because I don't have much to like fill it out, so maybe I would go down a size in this, but I mean just in general, like the rest of it fits beautifully. The sleeves are a really nice fit. They're not too tight, they're not too baggy. Yeah, I just really like the detail on this. I think it looks so cute. It's something a little bit sexy, but like not too in your face, if you get what I mean. Yeah, I just really like this. I think it's going to be so nice for like Christmas parties and stuff, so big thumbs up for this one as well. And then I also got something which is super similar, because they also did that bodysuit in black, I believe, but I thought I would go for something a little bit different, and instead of getting the long sleeved one, I thought I would get this one, which is just a strappy one. Obviously if you were wearing this in the autumn winter, you would have to wear something over it if you were going on a night out or something, but I still decided to get it anyway. It's just a black version. It's not as deep V as the other one, and again it's got the kind of missing panels in it, and I needed a few more kind of going out tops, so I got those. Okay, so this one is the black body. I really like this a lot. The straps aren't adjustable, but they're pretty much the perfect length on me. I would probably wear this with a strapless nude bra instead of my nude bra where you can see the straps of, but again, you can't see the bra underneath it if you wear a nude one. I mean, you could wear a black bra underneath it, but you would probably see like the shape of it, whereas with this I feel like, I don't know, it's not very visible, so I really like this a lot. I mean, it probably is a little bit cold for the autumn winter time, but I think if I was going on like a night out or a party where I knew I was going to be indoors with quite a lot of people, then I think it would be fine, and I think it's really, really cute. I love this whole like detailing on it. This one also fits perfectly, and also I just want to mention all of the bodysuits that I've tried on have got poppers at the bottom, and also around the back they're kind of like a thong style, so you can't really see them through your jeans, like you can't see the outline, if that makes sense. Okay, the next thing you're gonna be like, Soph, this is not autumn winter, what are you doing? Like I said, I wanted some more stuff for going out. I got this very sexy kind of lace crop top bodice type thing. I've got a couple of lace bodysuits which I've been wearing recently. This one isn't a bodysuit, but this is just a kind of crop top, and what I like about this is it does have adjustable straps, but again with this I'm not too sure how it's going to fit me. I have a feeling it might be too big because these cups look quite big, but I just thought this would be really nice again to wear with high-waisted jeans or trousers, and then obviously wear maybe a fluffy jacket over the top or a leather jacket over the top. I just thought it was pretty cute. I thought I would try it. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I thought I would give it a go. Okay, so as suspected, the cups are a little bit too big on this one. I'm not too sure what I'm thinking of this, just because it is a little bit too big for me around the boobage area. Also, the way that it does up is with a zip around the back, so I would definitely recommend putting this on kind of the wrong way round first and zipping it up if you're doing it by yourself, which is what I did, and then kind of spinning it round. I do like how the straps are elasticated and they're adjustable, which is really good, but it's just a shame that it doesn't really like fit me very well around here, but it is fully lined and everything, so you wouldn't have to wear a bra under this, and I do think it looks really cute. But yeah, that's what this one looks like. Yeah, I don't think you can see through it. The next thing I got is a coat. I absolutely, okay, you can't really hear me. I absolutely love this. As you can see, it's so thick. It's so big and thick and heavy. This is, I think it's called an aviator jacket. Yeah, this is the Faux Fur Ultimate Aviator Petite. They do this in petite, regular and tall. Missguided do have, you know, different sections depending on your size and height and all of that. Okay, it's kind of hard to show on camera, but it's got this really gorgeous, super soft faux fur, which is also on the inside as well. The sleeves are lined with the faux fur, I didn't even notice that. And then the actual sleeves themselves are this kind of faux suede-y leather look type of material, and then they've got furry cuffs, and then they've got 2 buckles at the top, and then the front panels are furry. Oh, I need to take these off the zips. That was definitely the most pricey out of everything, but it feels such good quality, like it's a really thick warm material. So yeah. Okay, so this is the jacket on. As you can see, this is absolutely gorgeous. I really love it, but it is a bit too big for me on the sleeves. I think they're just a bit too big for my arms, but it's so beautiful. It's got like fur here, it's got zippy pockets, and then at the bottom it's got this kind of strip of faux leather suede which matches the sleeves. It's got some buckles. The pockets are like really nice and roomy, and they actually zip up so stuff isn't going to fall out of them, which I really appreciate. And then it's got this furry bit around the neck. I absolutely love this. And then the back looks like this. It's just the kind of suede-y material, and it is so thick and warm, and the inside of it is kind of partially furry, partially suede-y, but all in the sleeves. It's all like fur lined, so this would be such a warm jacket. I'm kind of undecided on this. Let me know what you think. Does it look too big, or should I just rock the whole like oversized thing? I don't really know. So I then got another jacket. This one is another denim jacket. I have way too many denim jackets, but I'm just going to keep adding to the collection. This one is a bit more autumnal though, because it has the what's it called? Is it called Borg, or is it like Sherpa? It's basically got this faux sheepskin around the collar, and this is so cute because on the inside, I mean, I know that not really many people see the inside, but it's got this tartan lining, and then on the sleeves as well, if you choose to roll up the sleeves, it shows a bit of tartan through, which I thought was so cute. I just thought this was such an autumnal take on your classic denim jacket, and it's got kind of distressed details as well, if I can find them. Yeah, it's got some distressed bits on the sleeves, it's got some little rips and stuff, which I quite like, and this is also super thick and heavy, and I really feel like it would keep you warm because it has that double lining which goes all the way inside the sleeves as well. It's got this kind of, you know, the soft tartany bit, which is definitely adding an extra layer to keep you warm. And again, I got this one in a size 6, but this one is definitely a bit oversized. I did try it on before, but it just looks gorgeous. It looks so nice with like a pair of black jeans and some boots. Okay, so this is the denim jacket. I feel like this one is a bit easier to style, kind of oversized. I think this is so cute. I love how it's got the tartan on the inside. It's actually really warm for a denim jacket. And then it's got all the distressed bits and this collar. I mean, you could have the sleeves down and not have the tartan kind of showing through, or you can roll the sleeves up and have that little sneaky bit of tartan. Does it have pockets? Yes, it has pockets, guys. It has pockets. And then the back just looks like this. Rocking the double denim today. Speaking of boots, I think this is the last item. These are a pair of black, what are they called, like biker boots, hiker boots. But what I really liked about these is they're not your average just standard black ones. These have got quite a lot of detail going on. So they've got these gold kind of studded bits around the sole, and then they've got gold buckles, and then they have these gold studs with gems in them that go all the way around the buckle. I just thought these looked so cool. They kind of look designer inspired, and I don't know, I just thought they were a bit of a different take on your average biker boots. And also something I really like about these, because I'm lazy, often running late, and before I run out the door I don't really have time to tie up my laces all the time. These do have laces, but they have zips down the side, so you can just unzip them, shove them on and run out the door. I got these in a size 5 because I'm normally between a 4 and a 5. I'm kind of a 4.5. I haven't tried these on yet. They look like they might be a little bit too big, but if they are too big then I'm going to send them back and get a 4 because I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. And I mean, obviously there's another one as well, but it was just in the box. So together they look like this. I just thought they were really, really nice. These are so gorgeous, but like I suspected, they're a little bit too big for me, so I think I'm gonna exchange these for a size 4, but are these not like so beautiful? I am obsessed. This is like the worst bit of filming ever, but hopefully you guys can see them. I think they're so cute. By the way, this is the size of the box that everything came in. It's literally bigger than me. Okay, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. I know it's something a bit different. I don't always do clothing hauls on my channel, but everything I really liked. Everything feels really nice quality. So if you guys want to get your hands on any of these items, they will all be linked down below with all the prices and everything, because I'm sorry I couldn't remember them off the top of my head. But also as well, remember you can use the discount code SOPH20 to get you 20% off. I will also leave in the description when that expires, just because I'm not 100% sure how long that's going to go on for yet, but everything you need will be linked down below. Question of the day comes from MiaCJ.X, and she said, when are you next going to dye your hair? That is a good question. I don't know. At the moment, I kind of really like my hair how it is, but I think I might even go back and get a bit more blonde put through the front soon and kind of through the top. But I really like how at the moment it blends really nicely from my natural colour up here into a bit more blonde at the bottom. But I think I want to have a little bit more blonde at the top. I don't know, I feel like it's getting a little bit dark again. I'd like some more blondie bits put in through the front, which I know I do have, but I don't know, I just want to have a little bit more blonde put in. I kind of am missing the silver. Maybe I should go back and do that again. But obviously I will keep you guys updated. I have seen Sophie Louise's hair and I think it looks gorgeous brown, but I just don't know if I'm that, like, I'm too scared to dye my hair brown, but maybe I should get like a brown wig and see what it would look like or something. So I hope you guys are all doing really, really well. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it so much if you subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!